The Panoptic chopstick guys really know how to run a workshop. These guys have brought us out here to this wonderful salt flat and really given us a good time. They're very helpful, helping us out with what we need to learn, and they pace everything just perfectly.
Fabulous few days. Gotten some amazing models out here. The models are just incredible. So talented and so patient, and they've made this whole trip, along with Mark and Steve, just made the whole trip amazing.
I just wrapped up 3 amazing days out here in Utah. We did the Salt Flats, Blue Lake, and a few cool places in between. It was a cool photographic experience with the chopstick guys, and if you've been kind of thinking if you should do it, just sign up and do it. It's a blast. You're going to meet some great people. You're going to learn. You're going to get to experiment. And the ranges of people you find here, from beginners to professionals and everything between. So if you've been considering it, just do it.
We're just finishing up the 3rd day of our Panoptic Chopsticks workshop, and it is amazing. Like, if you've ever thought about coming, you definitely should, because these guys are amazing.
It was wonderful. It was just a wonderful experience, and I got to experience it with my daughter, who was doing some modeling here, but couldn't give it higher recommendations. It was amazing.
3 days on the salt flats and in the area. Amazing location, amazing people. Great time all the way around.
It's been a great time out here, learning a lot. It's definitely been a new experience, learning to deal with using flash and ambient light at the same time. So it's a great experience, and I've had a really great time.